I'm so excited about this delivery. This is not sponsored at all, you guys, let's be real. Not even at that level, but I ordered this on Amazon. It is a pet vacuum. Looks like a grooming vacuum. And our sweet little Teddy, come here. He is shedding so much. Yeah. Come here, say hi. Yeah, say hi to everybody. Yeah, say hi. So I'm so excited to unbox this. Teddy, are you excited? We'll see if he likes it. We'll see if he likes it. Okay. So, this literally came after I did my Dollar Tree 4th of July decorations. It couldn't have been better timing. Okay, let's see. Look at this. I love how it looks. It is adorable to be a grooming tool vacuum. Look at the handle. You see that? It's like leather. There's all kind of like, I don't plan to groom Teddy. I just plan to give him a little brushing while vacuuming the hair. But it did come with this. If any of you like to groom. Who is it, Teddy? And it's got a lot of these little attachment things. I don't know if I want that one. See, I think what I'll be needing is this little tool too. And this looks like something I have on my vacuum. But this is the one I'm excited about. This is, and y'all, these are not spiky. You know how some of the dog brushes are like real spiky? I'm like, how does that not hurt? This, let me see if I can get closer. This is almost like a little, like brush off, as far as like the bristles. Anyways, this is what I plan on attaching to it, so I can just brush his hair. So excited, I'll keep you posted. So do you guys read the instructions first, or do you just dive in? I feel like I just try to dive in and figure it out, and then if I can't, I use the instructions. Probably not the best way to do things, but that's how I'll do it. Okay, look at this too. The cord goes in here, so clean. I love things that are so clean and tidy. My boys are at the movies seeing the new Minion movie, and I keep thinking they'll be back in a minute.
Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe.